Hi, it's Samuel Adela Music once again, and today I'm going to be teaching you a 2-5-1 movement you can use on the key of C. And yes, in this one, you have to be careful how you use it. Looks good. Let me show you. Amazing, right? Amazing again. 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 So let me show you what exactly I'm doing. Basically, it's a 2-5, but then I'm shifting it up a tone. Again, see? Then moving it to C sharp, coming down again to C sharp, and then dropping it down. Because remember, your C sharp in the key of C is a tritone substitution for your 5. It's a tritone substitution for your 5. Let me say that one more time. Your C sharp in the key of C, which is your sharp 1, is a tritone substitution for your 5. So instead of doing again, instead of doing it's a B. Oh. Oh my God, you feel them. Now they feel them. One more time. Let me show you what I'm doing. 2, which has your D. Let me show you very well here. So you've got your D, you've got your A, you've got your D, and then here on my right hand, I'm playing this F major 7th chord. F, A, C, E. So together, again, and then again. I'm playing the 5. I'm just doing on my 5. I'm playing G, D, while on my right hand I'm doing this string. Which is my F, my B, and my E. So you get this string. Da 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 da. Look at it again. Da 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 da. So you got it. So again, 2, 5, and then 1. Again, 2, 5, 1. But now let's substitute that 5 for the sharp 1, which is your C sharp. 2, 5, 1, which will be a 2, sharp 1, 1. Let's now take it even a whole lot further. We do the 2 chord, we do the 5 chord, and then we take it up a step. Ooh, we land and then, did you see that? So basically it's polyrhythms. This is one movement, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 1. Again, 1. Again. Now, what am I doing there? Let me show you. I'm doing this 2 that I showed you. And then all I did was just to move it up to C sharp. And then, My goodness, my goodness, my goodness. One more time. Ooh, ooh, oh yeah. And then back here again. So 2, 5, then doing the same thing. We have your E flat, your B flat, your E flat on your left hand, E flat, B flat, E flat. On your right hand, you have your F sharp, B flat, your C sharp, and your F. And then you do that trill again here. Can you see it? Can you see it? Again, 2, 5 on the key of C sharp. 2, 5, and then you land. Again, 2, 2, 5 in the key of C sharp. You land in the key of C sharp, and then you come back down. What notes am I playing when I come back down? I play my C, G, D, and then on my right hand I'm playing G, B, and E. So or so let's apply it even in a song, like you are God from beginning to the end. There's no place for argument. You are God all by yourself, right? Right? So you are God from beginning to the end. There's no place for argument. You are God all by yourself. Oh, again. Let's do it again so that you see it clearly, right? So you are God all by yourself. You are God all by yourself. So you have to be quick. So it is not every time that you use this thing, Not be every time. Not be every time that they use them. Not be every time. Not be every time. I beg. I beg. You understand? So 2, 5, 2, 5, C sharp, C. I hope that helps you. I hope that helps you. Again, 2, 5, 2, 5. So I hope this helps you. And yeah, we out. We out. We out. If you have anything that is, just let me know in the comment section below. I love you.